My name is Ruby Clarke and I work for Flintshire County Council in the Children's Services Department. I've done 2 qualifications with Coleg Cambria. I've done my customer service level 2 and my level 3, and I'm due to start my advice and guidance qualification shortly. I got involved with Coleg Cambria through the Modern Apprentice scheme that I did with Flintshire County Council. This meant that a lot of my learning was actually work-based, and my assessor would come and see me at my office and we would go over any set work or do any exams that I needed to sit. I have a really great relationship with Adele, my assessor. She's so supportive, nothing's too much to ask. She really takes an interest in my personal life, and I know she just really wants me to do well, which means a lot to me. I can already feel the benefits of my qualifications that I've done with Coleg Cambria. I managed to secure a position in my team which is permanent, and I managed to do that before I actually finished my apprenticeship, so that meant a better wage for me, and that I had a job at the end of my apprenticeship. I feel like the benefits will keep coming for me. In terms of my qualifications, the more that I do, the more skills I feel I pick up, the more confidence it gives me in my job roles and job roles to come. So yeah, I really feel like you will also see the benefits. So good luck.